It's not really black, is it? But this is black. And I'm looking down here. The threshold is anodized bronze, but that's pretty much black. My floor mat. See, I got the floor mat here until I get done, and it looks like that. Well, that's got black in it, right? This thing covering the water spigot, that's black. Here's another light over here, that's black. Okay, and with that going up there, I think she was right. I'm gonna put the black one in. I gave her a second choice, and I gave her some different options. She said, it doesn't really matter to me. So I get to make the choice. And the wind chimes are black. Why not use the black one? That's why I'm going to use the black. And you know, could you get by with this silver one? Well, this trim around here is silver. It would have been fine. The ends of these are silver. When you look up there, do you see what I mean? You start looking at different things. And another good reason to get the 2-pack. Now you've got a choice. And sometimes you can get these in white too. So I've seen them in white. I've seen them in this silver. I've seen them black or dark bronze. See, this one here is not black. This one's bronze. See the difference in color? And I've also seen them in brass color, like gold. You just have to look at the store and decide. See, here's some more silver. This little hook, and then for the bird feeder, this is black. So for all those different reasons, I mean, either one could work, but I'm going to end up using the black one. Okay. So first things first, I've got my big old tall ladder out here, my 8-foot tall ladder. I'm going to get up there, and I've got my my eyewear. Always protect your eyes. You never know. If you don't have those, something's going to go right in your eye. It's going to drop down a little chunk of concrete stuff, some sand, some grit, whatever. I'm gonna get a nail, if I have a nail, or a long screw, and kind of do some probing. Make sure I can determine whether or not there's wood up there or not. That's my next step. If you want to watch all that, stick around, because that's what this whole entire video is about. What is this video about anyways? Well, here I got some different hooks. Got all kinds of different things here. But I'm going to install a swag hook. This was the old one, and I'm going to put one of these. And see, you've got this, you've got this. There's different things here, and I'll talk about that in a minute. If you want to watch how to install a swag hook on a stucco ceiling, no less, stick around, because is there a right and wrong way to install into the ceiling a swag hook? Of course, the answer is yes.